Are you ready for your next adventure? Packing can be overwhelming. But fear not. I'm here to simplify it for you. Packing appropriately ensures you have everything you need. It also avoids overstuffed bags and unnecessary stress at airports. Let's dive into what to pack for travel. First, start with a checklist. Write down necessary items before packing. This helps prevent forgetfulness and confusion. Next, consider the duration of your trip. For short trips, a carry-on may suffice. For longer stays, check if checked luggage is needed. Then, think about the weather. Research your destination's climate. Pack clothing that suits the prevailing conditions. Now, let's break down the packing categories. Begin with clothing essentials. Include versatile items, such as a pair of jeans and a simple jacket. They can be mixed and matched easily. Next, pack toiletries. Bring travel-sized containers of essentials like shampoo, toothpaste, and deodorant. Place them in a clear Ziploc bag for convenience. Don't forget medications. If you take regular medicine, bring enough for the entire trip. Always keep them in their original containers. Also, include travel documents. Collect your passport, tickets, and travel insurance. Keep them in a designated travel wallet for easy access. And lastly, consider entertainment. Bring books, magazines, or download shows on your device. This can make long journeys much more enjoyable. Here's an example. When traveling to a beach destination, pack swimsuits, shorts, and flip-flops. Don't forget sunscreen and a beach towel. In cooler climates, focus on layers. Pack sweaters, long-sleeve shirts, and a waterproof coat. To summarize, identify what you need before packing. Check off each category: clothing, toiletries, medications, documents, and entertainment. Keep it simple for ease and efficiency. Now that you're packed, are you excited for your journey? Review your checklist, and place everything neatly in your bag. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Share your packing tips in the comments below. Happy travels!